सुरु गरौँ है त Alright guys, yeah, we're in London. I'm saying Mathi, double leg bus ko Mathi cha haina. This is we are going to central London and is Wayan hai. And yeah, कति भयो मैले भिडियो नहालेको अनि भयो होला 1 वर्षै भयो होला अनि कतिलाई त थाहा पनि छैन होला that I'm in London भनेर अनि yeah त्यसैले I'm making this video just to let you know that अरु भिडियो अब जति आउँछ to be from London.
I don't know where you're going but I'll meet you there. I can't blame you for leaving but it's still not fair. And when I don't know what to say, I sing about you.
हाम्रो वाइन चाहिँ फोटो खिच्दै छ है This is the cathedral है ठाउँको नाम चाहिँ थाहा छैन मलाई अनि yeah this is central London लन्डन आएको 4 महिना भयो तर yeah this is the first time है लन्डन आज त फिल भएको छ
I don't know how to love, don't know how to feel. When I don't want to believe, I'll believe in you.
So यो चाहिँ वर्ल्ड वारमा युज भएको बोट हो इट्स इन लन्डन अनि यो चाहिँ पुरानो टावर ब्रिज अनि that's the नयाँ टावर ब्रिज I don't know if you can see or not. अहिले चाहिँ हामी माथि आएको छ अनि I'm with Wayan अनि yeah view is amazing बेलुका हुँदैछ अनि जाडो नि बढ्दै छ त्यसैले अब चाहिँ हामी फर्किन लाग्यो अनि त्यही हो This is the first video बिस्तारै बिस्तारै आउँछ अरूहरू अब चाहिँ साँच्चै बाई है त अर्को हप्ता भेटौँला